Hello everyone, thank you very much that you've tuned in to another episode of Premiere Bytes. So in the last episode we looked into how to customize your keyboard shortcuts. Now we're going to look into how to take these shortcuts actually with you, for instance when you work on another device. And this will save you time in the long run because you don't have to set up your keyboard shortcuts all the time new. So let us quickly go to the keyboard shortcuts menu. I will assign a custom keyboard shortcut for the add edit command. And we'll save this as Premiere Bytes. So how is it going to work that you take these customized keyboard shortcuts with you? So as I'm working here on a Mac, I will show it to you for Mac computers. You would go to this address here, which is in your Documents folder. And within this folder you will see some files which refer to your keyboard shortcut profiles. And as you can see, there's also a Premiere Bytes profile. And just for demonstration, if I would now delete it from this folder, it would not show up in Premiere anymore. And as we undo it, the keyboard profile shows up again. So this is the folder on someone else's Mac where you would copy your profile to be able to use it. That's it for this episode. If you liked it, please leave a comment and subscribe and leave a thumbs up and whatever you feel like could help to spread the word about these short tutorials. Thank you.